Going on, guys, so welcome back to the channel. So today we are here at the road and we are going for our mini meet. Hopefully a lot of them can come. I'm with Mateo right now. I got caught by a bit of a traffic here. So we got caught here in the middle of traffic. 4 minutes in Google Map, according to her, but it's taking forever. It's like, what? We've been driving like this for like 15 now. 15 minutes.
Really, Nico?
Life in Calgary.
Ano to? Kami? It's okay. Yeah. Tapos subukan ka lang ng water? Tingnan ko lang ito. May kunin na yan.
YouTube. So we're out here with the boys. We're done eating. Hey guys, we're here. We're out. Homies in Deerfoot City. Mr. Tyler. And we just finished eating a while ago. In this, where did we eat?
Buffet.
No, what is that called again?
I don't know.
It's down there somewhere. Hey Mateo, you're up. So nice. Sunset is so nice. So we met Mr. Bill. Now we got this in our lineup. Volkswagen. Gotta love that. Hey, I think it's cool. Yeah, we're taking a picture down there. Okay, you go first. I think they're about to go too. This is our lineup. You famous guy. It's my wife, Sleepy. Out here with a beautiful sunset. Look at this bad boy. Interior in this Volkswagen are nice. Here's the very, very good friend of us, Mr. Bill.
Fastest stock one of these they sold was the GSR, and I have only seen one in Canada. The GSR it's about the same power as yours.
But this is produced in Canada, this vehicle.
This Beetle is a Canadian Beetle, but it was built in Mexico. All of these Beetles were all made in Mexico.
So technically they're imported.
Well, I guess so, yeah. But this...
So Tyler is just working on my hill assist. I can't turn it off for some reason. I don't know why. It's so annoying. Now he's working his magic. Hopefully that works. Go na kami. We're in the tunnel. So noisy. That's so bad! We're out with the boys.
Hey.
What happened?
I got it.
I can't see.
You drove by too fast for Matt earlier, so he was like too slow.
Open. Pababa ako.
What do you want? Okay. What the hell is wrong with you? Isa pa. Meron pa isa. So we made it to the spot, guys. We're just waiting for our homies. Yeah! Money shot. You're in the front. Go back so he's visible in the photo. Like behind the Mateo. Oh, wait. You're going in the front.
Wala ka kanina, kuya.
Oh, sorry. Kala ko umuwi ka na.
Akala ko sabi mo dito, kaya nag-park na lang ako sa van. Kanina
Yeah, yeah.
dun.
Kala ko kanina nawala ka na, hindi ko na naririnig yung auto mo. Sabi ko, umuwi ka ako siguro.
I can find you guys.
Oh, that's good.
Isa lang naman way papuntan na nito.
Yeah.
He goes second, right?
Yeah, he goes here. Well, maybe you just pull up then. It's fine. It's fine, you're in the front.
Second ka, boss. Second ka.
Maluwag. U-turn. Ganda, no? Sa gabi, no? Sana sinarado na lang nila to para nasa gitna tayo. Now we line it up. Na, we're about to go home, guys. I'll go in the middle for the money shot. Woo! That's hot.